All right, so what's your question?
If you only had $100, what could you do with it in terms of investing it?
All right, so if you only have $100, what could you do with it in terms of investing? All right. Well, that would depend on your risk tolerance, right? And then you may ask, what's risk tolerance? How much money are you willing to actually lose? So, for example, if you're willing to buy a $50 book that you know can resell for $80, but the probability of you reselling that is like 50%, technically that investment's worth $40, right? So it would be a bad investment because that book is cost you $50, but it's only worth $40 because 80 times 50% is $40, right? So I would say, depending on your risk tolerance, look for investments that are small, but that align with how risky you want to be. Because maybe you want to spend $10 buying something, right? You spend $10 or $20 buying, a box of candy, and then you can flip that to $30, right? And then now, you just made a 50% profit. You just made $10 on your $20. All right. So doing small things like that, enjoying small wins and managing your risk tolerance. Because if you have $100 and you want to bet all $100 on buying some sneakers and reselling them, the sneakers don't end up selling. Now you don't have anything but some sneakers that you can't sell. So.